When used correctly, a fire extinguisher can help prevent property damage and save lives in case of a house fire. We researched and tested dozens of fire extinguishers, evaluating ease of use, effectiveness, and durability. There are many products available to choose best fire extinguishers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. First Alert ABC Forge Pack. This bundle of 4 extinguishers from First Alert is a perfect solution for fire hazards around the home. By providing multiple extinguishers, you're able to keep one on every level of your home or in every area with fire hazards like the garage, patio, or workshop. Each extinguisher weighs just 4.5 pounds and measures 4.25 x 15 inches, making them compact and lightweight enough for even children to operate in an emergency. Each extinguisher is a Class ABC model, meaning they're best suited for wood and paper, chemical and gasoline, and electrical fires. Each extinguisher is rechargeable, meaning that you can take them to a local fire systems company for refilling and repressurization, as well as testing as needed. Number 2. H3R Performance MaxOut Dry Chemical Automotive Fire Extinguisher. Usually the pick for best value is the most affordable, but the fact that this H3R MaxOut set is a selection of 3 fire extinguishers makes for a value that's difficult to ignore. Having 3 extinguishers is great for those who want them at multiple points of the vehicle or in 3 different vehicles. Don't let the color options fool you. It's purely a style issue. You're getting 3 1810BC extinguishers. All 3 are rechargeable 2.5-pound units, and the set includes a steel 2-strap mounting bracket. Even if the value is there, the price is on the high side. These use a dry chemical agent, not a halon agent like many assume because of the Halgard name. Number 3. Smoke Doctor 4-in-1 Mini Suppressant. Smoke Doctor's 4-in-1 Mini Suppressant is a very compact option that's no different than most other aerosol-type products, but you can carry it in a bag or backpack. It can handle basic fires and liquid fires. It also happens to be an economical choice, which is always a good thing. Practical 4-in-1 Home Fire Suppressors. Our reliable mini fire suppressors come in an ergonomic design and guarantee maximum efficiency in case of an emergency. This product does not have a AL rating, nor is it suitable for electrical fires. Also, it's very small and you will run through it quickly. Number 4. First Alert AF400 Tundra Fire Extinguisher Aerosol Spray. Anyone who wants an easy-to-use aerosol fire extinguisher should check out First Alert Tundra, reviewers say. Sold alone or in a 2-pack, the 14-ounce Tundra extinguishers look similar to large cans of bug spray and weigh 22 ounces each. Despite their humble looks, they are still capable of putting out all major kinds of small fires, including grease and electrical fires. However, buyers should note that there is no pressure gauge on these cans, and aerosol extinguishers have performed poorly in expert tests. Many experts warn against them or recommend that they only be used as a supplement to normal fire extinguishers, never as a replacement. Number 5. Amerex Dry Chemical Multi-Purpose Fire Extinguisher. While keeping a fire extinguisher in your vehicle is not mandatory, it's a sensible precaution. This ABC extinguisher from Amerex is a 2.5-pound model that fits under a passenger seat or in the trunk of the vehicle. This ABC extinguisher also comes with an excellent bracket, which you can even screw to a body panel if you like. Easy and more economical to maintain and service, large loop pull pin, bar-coded and bilingual labels. There's no hose to aim, but at this small size, pointing the extinguisher's spray at the base of a fire isn't a challenge. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as